They say the abyss is barren. They lied. Where superheated vents spew toxic chemicals, architects of unimaginable life have been evolving in silence. A forgotten chapter of existence, hidden from us until now, demands reconsideration of everything. The ocean. A vast, mysterious expanse covering over 70% of our planet's surface. For millennia, humanity has gazed upon its shimmering blue, wondering what secrets lie beneath. We've explored its vibrant coasts, plumbed its productive shallows, and even ventured into its sunlit zones, marveling at the coral reefs and the ballet of pelagic life. Yet the true enigma, the most alien and extreme environments on Earth, reside in its crushing, inky depths, far beyond the reach of the sun's nurturing rays. Imagine a world where temperatures plummet, where pressures can flatten steel, and no green plant could ever grow. This is a realm where conventional life, as we know it, should not merely struggle, but utterly fail to exist. And yet, against all logical predictions, life not only survives, but absolutely thrives in some of the most improbable corners of the deep sea. We are talking about places shaped by primal forces, where the very foundations of our planet churn and boil with subterranean energy. These are the underwater volcanoes, or more specifically, the hydrothermal vents, natural chimneys on the seafloor that belch superheated, chemical-rich fluids from Earth's mantle. Discovered only a few decades ago, these unique ecosystems represent a radical departure from all known forms of life supported by sunlight. They create astonishing oases of complex life, teeming with organisms adapted to conditions that would instantly kill surface creatures. Join us as we plunge into these extreme frontiers, to witness the incredible creatures that call these fiery, dark abysses home. Prepare to redefine your understanding of life itself in a place where light is replaced by chemistry and warmth by geothermal heat.
For centuries, scientists believed that all life on Earth ultimately depended on the sun. Photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert sunlight into energy, was considered the bedrock of every ecosystem. The deep ocean, therefore, was thought to be a vast, barren wasteland, relying on sparse organic detritus drifting down from the surface, a concept known as marine snow. This paradigm held firm until a groundbreaking discovery in 1977. A team aboard the research submersible Alvin, exploring the Galapagos Rift, stumbled upon something unprecedented. Instead of barren seafloor, they encountered towering chimney-like structures erupting with superheated, mineral-rich water, the first hydrothermal vents ever observed. But the real shock was not just the vents themselves, but the astonishing abundance of life surrounding them. Giant tube worms, massive clams, and strange crabs thrived in this pitch-black, scorching environment. How was this possible without sunlight? The answer lay in a revolutionary concept: chemosynthesis. Unlike photosynthesis, chemosynthesis is a process where certain microorganisms, known as extremophiles, derive energy from chemical reactions. Specifically, they oxidize hydrogen sulfide, a toxic compound from the vents, much like we use oxygen. These chemosynthetic bacteria form the base of the entire vent food web, acting as primary producers in a sunless world. They live freely in microbial mats or in symbiotic relationships within the tissues of larger animals, providing them with essential nutrients. This discovery completely rewrote our understanding of life's potential, demonstrating that vibrant ecosystems could exist entirely independent of solar energy, powered instead by Earth's internal geological forces. It opened up a new chapter in biology, challenging fundamental assumptions about life's limits.
The creatures living around underwater volcanoes are nothing short of miraculous, each a testament to evolution's ingenuity in the face of extreme adversity. Perhaps the most iconic residents are the giant tube worms, Riftia pachypilla. These magnificent invertebrates can grow up to 2 meters long, forming dense colonies around the vent chimneys. Lacking a mouth, gut, or anus, they rely on a symbiotic relationship with billions of chemosynthetic bacteria housed within a specialized organ called the trophosome. The worms absorb hydrogen sulfide and oxygen from the water, transport them to the bacteria, and in return, the bacteria provide all the organic compounds the worm needs. Their bright red plumes, rich in hemoglobin, efficiently capture these vital gases. Another remarkable survivor is the Pompeii worm, Alvanella pompejana, holding the record as one of the most heat-tolerant animals. These small, fuzzy worms build tubes directly on the superheated vent chimneys, enduring temperatures that can fluctuate wildly from near freezing to a scorching 80 degrees Celsius, hotter than many hot tubs. Their fuzz is actually a dense layer of bacteria, which may insulate them or detoxify chemicals. Then there are the various species of vent crabs and shrimp, often found scuttling across the hot rocks, grazing on bacterial mats or preying on smaller organisms. Some shrimp even have light-sensitive organs on their backs, possibly to detect the faint glow of extremely hot vents, providing a warning system or navigation aid in the perpetual darkness. Even octopuses, like the Grimpatuthes, known as the Dumbo octopus, are found near some vents, adapting to the unique feeding opportunities. These creatures showcase a stunning array of adaptations, from specialized enzymes for high temperatures to advanced detoxification mechanisms, proving life can flourish in environments previously deemed inhabitable.
The discovery of these chemosynthetic ecosystems around underwater volcanoes has profound implications, extending far beyond the deep sea. Firstly, they offer a tantalizing glimpse into what early life on Earth might have looked like. Vent sites are considered prime candidates for the origin of life, providing the energy and chemical building blocks for complex organic molecules to form. Secondly, these discoveries have revolutionized the field of astrobiology. If life can flourish without sunlight deep beneath Earth's oceans, could similar conditions harbor life on other celestial bodies? Moons like Europa, orbiting Jupiter, and Enceladus, orbiting Saturn, are believed to possess vast subsurface oceans heated by tidal forces and potentially harboring hydrothermal vents. The study of Earth's vent ecosystems provides crucial data for designing missions to search for extraterrestrial life. However, these precious ecosystems face threats. Deep-sea mining, particularly for polymetallic sulfides rich in copper, zinc, and gold, which accumulate around inactive and active vents, poses a significant danger. The extraction process could devastate these fragile, slow-growing communities, many endemic to specific vent fields. Pollution from surface activities, though seemingly distant, also impacts the deep ocean. As we explore these vital systems, international cooperation in conservation becomes critical. The underwater volcanoes and their unique inhabitants remind us that Earth's wonders are boundless, constantly pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. They are not just geological marvels, but vibrant, dynamic worlds that hold clues to our past, present, and perhaps even our future in the cosmos. Let us cherish and protect these extraordinary deep-sea oases.
Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos.